What if I told you that your most impressive holiday feast could come straight from your pantry? No last-minute dashes to specialty stores, just pure culinary magic transformed from everyday staples that you already have on hand. Get ready to redefine your holiday cooking, and let's discover the secret to a stress-free and delicious celebration. Let's go. A well-stocked pantry is just awesome for easy and complete meals all year round, but it is especially true at holiday season. There's no doubt in my mind that as gardeners and homesteaders and self-reliant individuals, you all have put away more than just the basics into your pantries this past gardening season. So there will be specialty items down there to find and to work with and to transform into delicious, unique, and satisfying meals for your guests and your family this holiday season too. My family really enjoys the basics for holiday meals: a ham or a turkey, and some sides that include green bean casserole, mashed potatoes with lots of butter and herbs, pumpkin pie, of course, for dessert with a little whipped topping, fresh, soft, big rolls for their meal, and of course, gravy and some kind of squash maybe, corn's always a must, and stuffing, of course. Everything that I made for this Thanksgiving meal did come from our pantry stores or our freezers, which I also consider part of the pantry. In this case, my stuffing is a combination of sourdough bread, regular yeast bread, and cornbread, which made for a fabulous stuffing, I can tell you. I added some green onions from the garden and some celery also from the garden too. Some hot water and butter, and it's ready to be put into a casserole dish and tightly wrapped to bake for dinner. We do skip the cranberry sauce in my house. I happen to like it, but no one else in my family does, so I don't usually make it. But if I'm having a hankering for cranberries, I always have big jars of cranberry juice downstairs ready to drink. A quick score on the top of these buns, and then a little brush of milk to help brown them, and in the oven they go, ready to bake up. And boy, my family really does love those soft rolls. And of course, no holiday dinner is complete without pumpkin pie. And I do a pre-made pumpkin pie mix. I cook up a bunch of my winter squashes and package them up into a freezer-safe bag with the sugar and the spices. So all I need to do when I want to make pie is add the squash bag there that you see with the spices and the sugar right into my blender with eggs and milk, blend them up, pour them in the pie crust, and bake them off. And I do also have a video about that. I'll try to put a picture of it here on the screen so you can find it more easily. But it's a really great way to keep pie ready to go in the freezer. And I don't can pie filling for pumpkin pie, so it's just perfect. It takes a few minutes to defrost it, and 10 ounces of milk and 2 eggs per bag, and I am ready for 1 8 or 9 inch pie to go into the oven in a matter of a few minutes. If your family likes pumpkin pie, definitely watch that video and give that a try, especially if you grow a lot of winter squash in your garden like we do. It makes it so easy to have pumpkin pie or pumpkin bars or pumpkin pudding or even pumpkin bread all year long just by defrosting a bag. Here are the rolls. We're going to give them a quick brush with butter just to help keep them soft and keep them flavorful, and they will be ready to rest until we are ready to eat. To make cleanup faster, I always try to prep my food into containers that can be lidded and put directly back into the fridge, so I don't really have a lot of extra dishes. When the mealtime is over, I really just have to deal with the turkey and, deboning that and getting that in the fridge. And the rest of the stuff, a lot of it, I can just put the container lids back on and stick it back in the fridge, and no extra dishes and no big amount of time, and I am ready to join the family for family time without spending all of my time in the kitchen. Gravy, of course, is an absolute must. Holidays are filled with a lot of blessings, and one of the many blessings in our household is having a complete and full pantry ready to serve our family through all of the cold weather until the garden is in again. But ourselves, truth be told, use our pantry all year round. Holidays for us are as much about enjoying food and familiar recipes as anything else. It's one of the many ways we count our blessings. I hope that each and every one of you has a full plate and a home full of the warmth and love of family. I hope that your holidays are absolutely blessed and rich and full and satisfying. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for being with me all year round. You are so appreciated, and I will see you next time. Take care.